Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to go onto our iPad and click on find the App Store. So I already have it up here, so I'm going to click on it. Okay, let me back up a little bit. There we go. Okay, so I need to look for that Clips app. So I'm going to type in Clips. Okay, there it is right there. So I already have downloaded it, so I'm just going to click on Open. And there we are. Hi, everyone. Okay, so we are here today to learn how to use the Clips app for recording videos for those that wanted to use closed captioning. So here we go. Let's go ahead and get started. So what we're going to do next is I'm going to show you all of the features that are on here. So we have this up here that kind of looks like a filing cabinet. You click on that. It will show you all of your recordings you have done. I've already done a recording here. It was just a trial. Okay, so here we go. So we go over here. You'll see a circle with 3 dots in it. Press on that. And there you go. It says duplicate, rename, and delete. So I'm going to delete that video because I don't like it. So delete project, click on that, and it goes away. And we're back to here. Okay, so we're gonna go back up here to go back to what we were doing before. Okay, now we're back to the main page. Kind of fix the setting here. This is my favorite feature. Okay, you are going to love this. Oh. Okay, here we go. So this right here, it looks like a talk box with 2 lines on it. So click on it. Okay, so you're probably wondering, so you'll notice that all of these things are popping up, okay? That is the closed captioning or the subtitles. So, and what's really cool about this is you can choose where you want to put it on your screen. So if you want it down here, that's what I'm used to. I grew up with closed captioning and was always on the bottom. So I'm used to that. I'm not sure what the difference is between these two, but you know, explore, that's how we find out about things, that's how we learn, right? So just go around and just look at them, but look at this one. Oh my gosh, I hope you can see that. But this one, it highlights yellow each time you say a word. I love that. So then over here, see, you can move it to where it's above your head up here. See, isn't that cool? All right, so there's all these different settings. Just play around with them. I mean, it just keeps going. There's so many options. It's great. All right, okay, so we're gonna go and use my basic favorite one, very basic. Okay, it's not recording what I'm saying right now because it's just giving you an example of what it would look like. All right, so something else that's really cool, y'all. Look at this. Okay, you see the globe? Click on the globe. All right, look at this. French, and different types of French dialects. German, Greek, Hebrew, Hungarian, Italian, and it just keeps going. And look at this. If you notice the Spanish, there are different types of Spanish dialects. I just thought that was so cool. So they don't have all of them on there. I'm in a school district where there are over 100 different languages spoken. So something like this would be very, very helpful for us. I just thought that was so cool. Now, but keep in mind, you could use that if you have a parent, if you're doing like a parent tutorial and you're teaching them how to implement the lesson in their everyday lives, or you're trying to teach the parent how to teach that lesson, you could put it in their home language so they can read. So you do have to make sure that the parent can read their home language also. So you gotta keep that in mind. And then we're back to the captioning feature. So once you picked what you want, your language and your how you want your closed caption to pop up on your video, then you click on the X. Okay, I'm gonna get out of here. All right, so next we have the camera. So I'm on camera right now, so if you click on that, it doesn't take you anywhere else. So we'll go to the library. So this will take you to what you have in your picture album. This is my work iPad, so I use it for my job, which is a teacher for the deaf and hard of hearing. I'm actually an itinerant teacher for the deaf and hard of hearing while I'm making this video. So I've got some pictures here. There's me showing how to wear the microphone as a teacher. So it takes you to your album. So if you want to click on something, you can click on it from here. But let's go back for now. Okay, so then we have poster. This is really cute. So you can choose a poster. So let's do this one. Okay, so you can change the text on here, I believe. Yeah, there you go. I'm just going to leave it alone because I like it. So, but if you do change it, you're going to hit apply. Okay, I did not change anything, so I'm going to go to cancel. All right, so, but what's really cool about this is that once you start a video, you can put this in the middle of your video, the beginning of your video, or at the end of your video. All right, so next is this very colorful little star, love it. Okay, and these are the little banners you can put up on your video, and it pops out, and some of it, I think these stickers, they spin, like this one spins, so you can put it on top of your head if you want to, and you can also add an emoji. So let's say, there you go. Let's say you have something that popped up in your video, and you don't want your student to see it or somebody to see it. So you could put a smiley face over that, or if you really love that person, you could put this up. So I know that's a little small, so I was playing with it earlier, and look at this. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, you can turn it, but when you're trying to make it bigger or smaller, turn it, you do need to use 2 fingers. You can also click on it to edit it or to delete it. So let's go ahead and delete this, okay? All right, so next, we need to get out of here. So let's get out of here. Okay, so here we are. So you're probably wondering what this is. Sorry, I skipped this part. This hot pink bar. It's probably coming up red on the video, but it's more like hot to pink in the in this video. So anyway, so if you click on it, this is your recording button. So what you do, you could press and hold and it'll record, but if you don't want to do that the whole time, you just slide it up. There we go. So we've got the let it snow, we've got the star spinning, and look at this, we've got closed captioning. So I am going to say my name because later I can go in and edit it. Hi everyone, my name is Sarah Covert. Thank you for watching my video. Bye-bye. Okay, so we got this video saved, so you went down there in the corner, so I'm going to click on it. Okay, so now it's popping up, and it has this toolbar down here. It says live titles, effects, mute, delete, trim, and save clip, okay? Now, isn't that cool? How did I get there? I just clicked on this, the live titles, and here it is. This is my, the closed captioning that was popping up while I was talking, while I was recording a video. So if you'll notice that there are no period, no exclamation points, no question marks, nothing. So this, and look, it spelled my name wrong too. So, but that's okay. You can go in and edit it. All you have to do is just There it goes. It clicks on it, makes it bigger, thankfully. And what I like about this, you could press down the bar and slide around. Okay, I don't have an H on my first name, but H on my first name, sorry, is okay. My last name is Covert with a V as in Victor in the middle. There we go. And I can put a little period there. I can capitalize the T. Okay, I think you kind of get the idea. And then when you're done, you just hit done. Okay, and then you get out of there. The effect, I think you just add the effect just like we did before we recorded the video. You can mute something, I guess. Maybe you can mute a part of the video. I'm not sure. Go ahead and play with that on your own. So we're going to go to the trim part right here. Okay, and we're going to trim our video. We're going to make it really, really, really short. Okay, let's play it. Make sure we are okay in a good spot. So we got and not in an awkward spot. We've got the stars spinning, and look at that. Okay, I'm happy with that. So I'm going to click or hit on apply, and I'm going to check it. Always check your videos. There we go. So we got to let it snow. We've got the stars spinning, and look at that. There it goes. So you could see it was much shorter. Okay, so now we're ready to upload it. So we're going to upload it from here. And let's say we want to upload it to the email. I'm not going to click on that right now because I don't want to share my personal email. Actually, it's my work email. So, but you get the idea. You just go there. It'll put a file name into the body of the email. You could type your own email address and send it to yourself. Just make sure you put something in the subject line like trial video or sign language video for science or something. So you can find it easily when you're trying to look for it later, okay? Okay, so let's get out of there. So let's say I want to delete this video. Let's go up here. Okay, see, there it is right there. It's highlighted in red. So we're going to go over here. I'm going to delete it. Okay, now it's gone and it's back to this right here. But now I want to make a video of myself signing with the whole closed captioning on the bottom.